Hello and a warm welcome to the course. As your course instructor, I thought I'd take the opportunity to introduce myself to you very quickly before we get started. My name is Libby Seary and I'm a psychotherapist and a therapeutic life coach. I run a very successful practice in Harley Street, London, which is recognised the world over as being a centre of medical excellence. Over the years, I've had a number of my works published and have been privileged to appear on TV and radio many times. But my biggest passion by far is teaching, and a few years ago I founded the Renaissance Life Therapies Training Academy. My online training academy offers courses which are all wrote by myself and reflect my areas of expertise, which includes self-development and therapeutic subjects. And thanks to the Udemy platform, I have students from all over the world. In fact, I now have students spanning 102 countries, something I'm very proud of. So once again, a very warm welcome to this course, which explores the wonder of colouring in and art for adults. As well as enjoying the health benefits of expressive art, by the end of the course, you'll have a good concept of the fundamentals of drawing, understand colour, composition, and create your own masterpieces without being judgmental or critical of your work. The course is very different to any other, because it's a very practical application of the techniques and skills I'm going to be teaching you. As we journey through the course together, you'll get the opportunity to see just how effective they are and why you made the right decision in choosing to study with me. Research has shown that just 15 minutes of colouring in is comparable to a traditional yoga session, lowering your stress levels, improving your quality of sleep, and a general feeling of well-being. And art can even improve your confidence. As well as colouring in and the basics, I'll introduce you to abstract art, how to use metaphors in your work, as well as creating the most magnificent family tree. We'll cover the foundation of hand lettering and spend some time on practicing the joys of doodle art. So whatever your reasons for taking this course, if you apply the techniques I'll be teaching you, you can look forward to a more relaxed, confident you, and you'll experience how much more creative you are than you ever thought possible. Be sure to look out for the downloadable resources that accompany many of the lectures. And don't forget, as with all of my courses, I'm here to help you, and I'm available 7 days a week. So let's get started. In the next lecture, we'll be doing some pattern drawing, which is incredibly relaxing and aesthetically pleasing.